My dear friends, as we bid goodbye to the year 2023 and usher in the new year, I would like to share my few thoughts. As I begin, I would like to quote an anecdote that I remember reading in a book. In this book, the person describes noticing a young boy traveling, and in his hands is a bag and grains of rice are dropping from it. When the man notices it, he is so angry looking at the wastage. The boy is cool about it and he goes to the place where he is supposed to go. And the man is so upset, so angry with the wastage that has happened. He questions the wastage. This could have been used properly. There are people who are going hungry to bed. These are the thoughts that fill his mind. But then he questioned himself. Couldn't I prevent that wastage from happening? Could I not stop that boy and tell him, "Hey young lad, there is a hole in the bag through which the grains of rice are dropping. I have not done it, so I am equally responsible." He further pondered, am I not wasting many things in my life? My time, my life also, my talents. And taking this example, my dear friends, I would wish everyone a fruitful year. Last year, we made many promises, but we have not lived up to the promises. This year, again, we will make promises. These are the things that we plan to do for the year 2024. Let us not get discouraged. Let us not lose hope. Our God is a gracious God. He has given us yet another year. He wants us to be fruitful in our lives, to use the talents that He has given us, to do better for the society, do something for the society. Use our talents for the upliftment of the poor. The things that we have extra, we can think of the needy people and help them out. These are the little ways that we can be fruitful in our lives. Galatians chapter 4, verse 4 and 5 reminds us that Jesus came into this world, and through Jesus we have become adopted children of God. If we are so blessed to be adopted children of God, can we waste our lives on needless things? Definitely not. The year 2024 is yet another opportunity for us to develop spiritually and in the other areas of our life. Let this year be a fruitful one for everyone. I wish everyone a blessed new year.